Hello, this is Caravans in the Sun. We are just between Swinnerton and Eccleshall, and you're turning here on the Brookside Business Park. It's an open day today, the sun is shining, so here's the entrance, and there's lots of people here today. It's quite busy. I'll just give you a quick tour of the homes that we have here. So first of all, this is the Willerby Ashurst. Then we've got the brand new Ocean. Bambi's in there at the moment talking to some customers. We've got the Willerby Sheraton. Oh, there's a dog. That's the Delta Bromley. This one's a brand new Costa. This has just arrived this week. I think I can hear James in there with some people at the moment. These are super chic designer homes. This is the Willerby Brookwood, another brand new home. This one is new to the park. I'm not sure what the name of this one is. The ABI Vista. Hello. BK Bluebird Carnival. Swift Bordeaux. And we do have two Bordeauxs, one of which is my personal favourite. It's you can just about see that it's got a nautical theme on the inside, stripy curtains. That one it's quite low cost, that one, from $49,995. Willerby Salsa, Delta Empress, Willerby Salisbury, and in the corner there, I think that one's only about £8,000. That's just for in the UK, that one's not going abroad. The rest are. ABI St David, Regal Tempo, Victory Vermont, Regal Henley with the sparkly blinds, I don't know if you can see them there, Willerby Sky, the Swift Chamonix, I think that's pronounced. And this end one's a new addition. What's the name of this one? We go round. Oh, Sue's in there. Swift Serenity. And back to the main office, we've got a Barriats. That's arrived in the last couple of weeks. And the Grasmere, and then of course the Malton, which is currently serving as a meeting room office space. And then we've got the lovely Ashley with some cake, tea and biscuits. So we're open today and tomorrow, 10 AM till 4 PM. So just pop in, come and join us, and we'll see you soon. Look at that sunshine. See you later.